Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this mouse puzzle together. From Peter Boonstra on LinkedIn, can you find the length of the zigzag line? The straight line from A to B is 20 cm long. The zigzag line from A to B is made of 7 equilateral triangles. So the question is, how many cm is the zigzag line long? So these are equilateral triangles, meaning each of their sides are of the same length, okay? And there are 7 of such equilateral triangles along this line from A to B. So, and we're given that the length of AB is 20. So I want you to focus on just one equilateral triangle. If we call the side length of the first equilateral triangle S, then we know that this bit is also S, this bit is also S. So this is, say, S1, S1, and S1. And then for the second equilateral triangle, we have S2, S2, and S2. So on and so forth. Then we can think of AB as broken down into 7 different sides. So we have S1 plus S2 plus all the way to S7. And we know this to be 20. Now, as you can see from the first equilateral triangle, the zigzag bit is just made of 2 sides of the first equilateral triangle. So what we really have here is that the zigzag is made of S1 plus S1, then here S2 plus S2, okay, and then so on and so forth to here S7 and S7, right? Well, we can group each of these, and then we can factor out a 2. So we get 2 S1 plus all the way to S7, okay? Well, we already know what S1 plus S2 to S7 is. It's just 20. So we can substitute this into the expression here, and we get 2 times 20, and that is 40 cm. So that's the answer, and that's one way of doing it, but there's another way, which is here, okay? So we can think of, few triangles, n equals 7. This is sort of my reasoning. So 2AB, so we have 40. But when there are more and more triangles, we can see that there's more zigzag here, and if we take the limit that n goes to infinity, then visually it approaches this straight line. But the important thing to note is that the length does not approach AB. It stays 2 times AB, okay? So they are infinitesimally small equilateral triangles, and even though it sort of looks like a straight line, it isn't actually a straight line. It's just these so small equilateral triangles, and we have infinitely many of them. So I think this is quite an interesting example of geometry and infinity. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you love this, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.